Hello everyone! So welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today is a very special video. As you can hear, I'm so excited and grateful because this is my very first Quota bag Hermès unboxing. So you're gonna see if it's a Hermès, Birkin, Kelly or Constance. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you also like luxury bags. And everything here is thanks to you, so thank you 1,000 times for watching this channel. I'm forever grateful. In this video, I'm just gonna first unbox the bag, okay? I'm not gonna wait any longer. I've been teasing on Instagram so much. You probably hate me now, but I'm gonna open it. And then I explain you how I got it. I'm from France, but I live in Spain. And if you are, for example, for international, I'm gonna give you some tips to score a Quota bag because I've been waiting for 3 years. And thanks to these tips, it only took like 3 months, okay? So let's unbox and then I explain how I did, okay? Okay, so I'm a bit emotional today because it's something very special. I know it's a bag. It can be a little bit silly for some people, but it's not just a bag. It's like something that really means something to me in terms of objectives. It's something that I achieved in my life, and so for this I thank myself. Actually, I gift myself a beautiful bag for this. So it's also something like this. I don't know if you already have one, probably or not. There is a feeling. I didn't thought I would feel that much emotion while opening the bag in store. I filmed, well, Vincent, my partner, filmed everything, of course. I will put you the video just after. Because for me it's a bag and I've been waiting for it and I was like, oh, okay, fine. Hermès, I'm done with you. And it happened when I was like, okay, done. I will explain. I'm like a child opening a Christmas gift. Oh my God. I'm sorry in advance, my English is not perfect and not super smooth. And I know it can be annoying for some people. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God, oh my God. But excitement like this is international, okay? So I already removed the protection part and opened the bag, of course, because I've already did the French unboxing because I have a French YouTube channel as well. Oh my God! This is my very first Birkin unboxing from Hermès. Oh my God, let me show you from closer. Can you, the color on the screen is not exactly the real color, as I can see. It looks very gray, but this is a vert almond. It's like a green almond. So it's like khaki green for me, khaki green and gray, because when you have lots of, when you have lights on it, it's khaki. I see it khaki personally, but on the screen I believe it looks gray. I will fit you a photo here of the bag where you can see it's like vert almond. Oh my God, it's lovely. It's a Birkin size 30. I hesitated between a 25 and a 30, but in the end, for an everyday use, because this is a bag that I want to use, this is not the bag that I want to sell, of course, it's my first, and I love it so much. I preferred like a size 30 because this is a perfect size. I also have my own website where I resell luxury pre-loved handbags, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Celine, Hermès, and on my website, I have 35 and 30 different Birkins. And I have also the size 30 of my friend, Je suis Lou. And her bag, I was so in love. I am in love with her bag. Like the blue is insane. I will fit a photo. It's available on the website. Go if you want it. It's absolutely stunning. And the size of this Birkin made me choose this one also because size 30 is so cool for an everyday use. 25 is very small, so maybe for a second one, but for the first one I finally choose like a size 40. This is a silver hardware, palladium, because I'm more a silver girly. I wear mostly silver hardware jewelry, so this is also why I preferred. I was not close to gold. You know, you're never close to anything at Hermès. What else? That's it. This is such a beauty. I'm in love. I scored it in Hermès Barcelona because I live in Spain, in Barcelona right now. It's been 3 years and a half now. We previously lived in Paris and then in Lyon, also in France. So, little backup story. It's been 3 years that I'm waiting on a wish list in Barcelona and also in France, in Lyon, because I'm originally from Lyon. So I know some person in the store, blah, blah, blah. Never scored it. Never, never in my entire life. Never. And probably because also I resell bags, pre-loved mostly, but maybe Hermès really don't like me. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Well, anyway, I was ready to purchase something else. Well, Hermès also. One of my clients wanted to sell me like a Kelly 28 and I kept it for me because I didn't thought I would get like my Quota bag in store. So I took it. I purchased it actually. It's a beautiful Kelly 28 brown vintage, but amazing. The price was crazy. So I decided to keep it for me for my birthday. In the end, few days before my birthday, I scored this bag, but I'm gonna explain you how it happens because it's very specific and it can help you a lot. So the Kelly will be on sale this Wednesday because every Wednesday on this YouTube channel, I do like bags to purchase, bags to buy. I sell my luxury bags. It's your bags that I sell for you on my website, bamluxurystore.com. This is my job actually. And this bag will be on sale because I cannot keep the two Hermès, unfortunately. I wish I could also keep the Kelly, but I can't. So it's gonna be for you guys. It's gonna be Wednesday at 6 p.m. Paris time. It's like, I don't know what the hour for. I think it was gonna be like 12 p.m. Well, 12 a.m. or p.m. for New York City time, for East time. Okay. Anyway. You will see, you will receive the newsletter if you're subscribed. And so I decided to go for this one, of course. How this happened. So I was on the wish list, as I can tell you, never had it. I'm still on the wish list, actually. My wish list is still on track. I don't know if my advisor, like my SA, canceled it or not in the end. But Vincent decided to contact her and to tell her, well, it's 30 years old of Margot, the 9th of May. I want to gift her something beautiful with her family. And we know her dream would be like a Birkin or a Kelly. And would it be possible to make a wish under her name, in my name? And she was like, oh, okay, well, it's cute that I did that. So Vincent went to store to make a wish. So the bag is in his name. The bag is in his name, even if I pay. And my family also participated. Vincent gave me something else, but I did not receive it yet. It's a pre-order, so we need to wait a little bit longer. But Vincent decided to go to store to make the wish list. He decided to make the wish that I already previously done. Black, gold, brown, black, or green, dark green, because this is what I like, or something very easy to wear, like a classic color that I will wear like all the time. And size 30. Hardware, he decided to put like palladium in priority and gold, not rose gold, because I don't really like the finish of the rose gold for now. And the SA told him like, oh, it's gonna be like quite easy and fast to get it, especially for her 30 years old, blah, blah, blah. It was in February and my birthday was 9th of May. Okay, so 1 week before my birthday, Vincent contacted her on WhatsApp because they have like a WhatsApp for the whole store, so everyone can see your message anyway. This is not the WhatsApp of the direct person. A message saying, hey, how is the bag for Margot going? It's in 1 week. I really want her to gift like a bag. And so she replies that she don't have anything now, but she will try her best. Okay. Vincent replies a little bit like, not furious, but like, hey, you told me it would be easy and it's like in few days. I don't understand why it's not yet here, something like this. So, but still very nicely, don't worry, and with respect. But like saying, hey, you told me this and it's not here. How so? So he told me this later, after all. And on Monday, it was just like 5 days before my birthday. My birthday was the Friday, 9th of May. The SA, like my SA calls him. I was in the office at this moment and Vincent goes out of the office I was like, what the fuck? And he's on the phone, and as I told him, like, hey, Vincent, we have a bag for Margot. And he understood that it was green mint, vermont. Not at all. He understood badly. So we decided to go at the store after work. So we go around 5-6 p.m. directly there. She was so smiling when we arrived. She was like, she didn't know if I knew or not. And I knew something was cooking, you know, but not really know. And I don't know how to say this, but I was like under shock and not really realizing and not wanting me to realize, you know. So we enter, she prepares the little room, and she said, okay, come inside the room. And I see the box, and I was like, I wanted to yell like, is it for me? And I didn't know what was inside. Probably it could have been something else, because some other bags were offered to me, like non-quota bags, but very expensive bags, and I always refused. So I was like, maybe it's something else, or picotine, or, you know, the bag was big. So I was like, cross finger. And she opened the bag, and I'm gonna feed you the video of the store where she unboxed it, and I see the bag, and she showed me this bag, and I was like, how so? How so? And after 3 years of waiting, you know, you're like, oh my God, this is insane. So I was so happy to get it, and it was crazy. And I didn't thought I would get it in store because of my background and so on, as I previously told you. But thanks to Vincent, my partner, I had the bag. So the bag is his, but not really, because I pay for the bag, and my family participate also to the bag, of course. And I need to sell bags, so I'm gonna sell my mini Evelyn, because it's already on my website, bamluxurystore.com. Price is so interesting and as new and very rare color. And I'm hesitating to sell one of those bags behind me, and really considering either the Picotin 18 or 22. I really don't know. I don't want to sell my bags, but I need to pay. I need to pay for this. I paid with my Amex. I still have some time to, you know, to pay. But yeah, some few tips now to score your bags that I was able to see during the years. First, send your man. Send your man, send your best friend, send your husband, send your fiancé, send anyone you want, but a man, to score your bags, and let them know what exactly you want. They don't really know what's happening, how it's working usually, so the store will more gladly sell it to him. I think this is how it works, honestly. I don't know. But men have more chance to score a quota bag, especially if it's for a special occasion, for birth, for a birthday, for an anniversary, for a wedding, for, I don't know, anything. But it's usually Hermès likes to gift bags, to sell you bags for a special occasion. My mini evening was for my birthday. My Picotin was for the opening of the store, so it was easy. The Picotin in black was for Christmas. You know, it's always working around something to celebrate. And I think this is cool, actually. So send your man, okay, first tips. Second tips, go to Paris, but between mid-October to mid-November. They have way more bags, way more stock I can see online on the website, but also in terms of unboxing after all. You can see so much more unboxing at this time of the year, and they scored it in store in Paris. Paris Saint-Honoré or any store in Paris, but go there during this time frame, okay? I really advise you to go more in the morning than in the afternoon, because as you probably guess, they have more stock in the morning than the afternoon. So this is my tips number 2. And the tips number 3, that will go for the lottery system. Every day you can go on the website of Hermès the night before and fill in all your information and try to have an appointment. So it's a lottery system. It's completely random. And the next day, you need to do this, to fill in the form before 8 p.m. the day before, and the next day you get the day before you fill in the form, and after 8 p.m. you receive a text message if you were appointed or not. If you're not, you received, I believe, an email, but if you are, you receive a text message. And the meeting, the appointment is for the next day, okay? So if you are international, you need to be prepared in case to travel. Then appointment will be at a specific hour, guys. So if you don't go, this will be replaced by someone else that goes in store like this. Or you go and you might be offered something. You might not be as well, okay? So don't be surprised if you're not getting anything or not something you wished for, depending on the hour of the meeting. If you travel from far and the meeting is at the end of the day, don't travel. Honestly, at the end of the day, you're not gonna get anything that you really, really, really want, or you're gonna get like mini evelines or some few bags, or even not. Okay, so really advise you to go to travel only if it's your meeting is in the morning or beginning of the afternoon. Okay, it will save you lots of money. Voila, I think that is all for the little tips that I can give you, and with the unboxing, I am so grateful for this. This can sound silly, of course, for people that don't understand, but it's not, and I don't care what other people think. Actually, I like bags, and if I want to put my money on bags, I do it. One life, we do whatever we want. We work so much, everyone, that we can spend our money how we want, actually. I don't know how and when I'm gonna wear this beautiful bag. I will need to remove the stickers. Also a tip, always remove the stickers, and I need to add a bag organizer inside. I have one because I sell also bag organizer, care lever tips and so on my website. So I'm gonna add one because it's so important to take care about your bags. Anyway, thank you so much for being around. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you this Wednesday for the new arrivals that I'm going to sell. This one is not for purchase, not for sale. I will keep this baby with me. This is my first Birkin ever. So happy. Thank you again very much for being around, for being in this BAM family. And here we are, like, only good vibes. And I hope you will also receive one day your beautiful Birkin or Kelly bag. Wish you all the luck for this also. And in case you're not scoring one, we have on the website some Birkins and Kellys. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bisous!